Okay, I have a new designer for you that I'm super excited about. The designer is, well, not the designer's name, but the brand name is Henri Lou, and it's a really sweet story. Go on her website, and by her I mean Reagan Rowland. She's the design brains behind the firm Henri Lou. And she has a sweet story about why the firm is called Henri Lou, and it talks about how her and her husband were taking a trip, stopped off at this Calico, California ghost town, went to a saddle shop and ran into this sort of sweet couple. The husband was named Henry and the wife was named Lou, and he made her this bracelet with this ring on it. And that's also the origin of what I'm opening for you today. This is designed, made in America. They're actually a local Los Angeles shop, so it makes me especially proud to rep them. You know, I like to shop local and American made if I can. And this incidentally is a bracelet that is worn by Joanna Gaines of Magnolia. So check it out, just the packaging. I always like sweet packaging because I feel like it speaks to the quality of the product. And I'm just going to show you a quick little preview. And they also have a whole line of bags that I hope to get to discover. And look at this, the little emblem is adorable. I love leather in all forms. Oh, it's heavy, I love that. And when I looked on her website, this was the one that just absolutely spoke to me the most. That's a legitimately heavy brass ring on there, and it's got this sweet little leather band held in by a nipple rivet. I'm gonna put this on. Will I be able to put this on while I'm talking to you? I don't know. I don't know. Let me try. But anyways, oh yes, you definitely can put it on while you're talking. But I just love it. I love the story of her. I love the story of people doing their thing and sort of people creating. And knowing sort of where it came from and where it's designed and that they've got a commitment to American made. So I don't know about you guys, I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I feel very Wonder Woman when I do that. But anyways, there it is. Henri Lou is the designer, local to Los Angeles. Give them a shot. If you get any of their purses or their jewelry, please drop me a line and let me know what you think of it. I personally have my eye on a couple of purses. But that is it. Thank you so much for watching.